Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6. We are on chapter number 32 and exercise 32A. Okay. So in last video you must have seen question number 9 and how to solve it. So question was about fencing. Fencing means perimeter. So there are certain keywords. If they come in the question, you should understand that we are talking about perimeter. Okay. So for example, fencing, boundary wall, or running around a park or garden means, suppose this is a garden, square garden, and running around means I am talking about boundary. Boundary means perimeter. Okay. So fencing, boundary wall, around a park or garden, walking around a school playground. These all are the keywords which are related to. These are all the keywords which are related to perimeters. Okay, this type of question when comes, you have to deal with perimeter. Understand, we are talking about perimeter means fencing, boundary wall, around a park or garden, or walking around a school playground. We are talking about perimeter if these words come. Okay, so ninth one is done. So last question for this exercise. Each side of a square plot of land is 55 meter. There is a square plot whose each side is 55 meter. Find the cost of fencing the plot at the rate of rupees 32 per meter. I told you, see now, fencing came. Fencing means I have to find out perimeter. Okay. So perimeter of what I will find out? What is given? Perimeter of square plot I have to find out. Okay. So you have the formula, and then after finding perimeter, you have to multiply it with rupees 32. Okay. That also formula is given. That is cost of fencing. Right. So side of a square plot is given 55 meter and cost of fencing is rupees 32 per meter, means for 1 meter 32. Right. So perimeter. So first thing you have to find out is, since I have to find out cost of fencing, first I have to find out how much wire or fencing thing will be needed for fencing. Okay. So perimeter of square plot is to be found first. Why? Because this is, suppose, your square plot. So I'll start putting wire from here, here, here and here. Means I need what? I need perimeter. Okay. So I'm talking about perimeter of square plot, which is 4 into side. This is the formula. So what is the side given? Side given is 55 meters. So 4 into 55 meter equals to 220 meters. Cost of fencing. What is cost of fencing? Cost of fencing is perimeter multiplied by cost. So perimeter of square plot is 220 meters multiplied by 32. Answer is rupees 7040. Okay. So this is, hence cost of fencing the plot is rupees 7040. In word problems always hence, word problems should always end with hence. Okay. Next thing which we are going to see is area. Okay. Area of rectangle and area of a square. So we have formula for area of rectangle. Before that, let us see what is area. Area is the space which is occupied by a rectangle is known as its area. Similarly, the space which is occupied by a square is known as its area. Means area of square, area of rectangle. So this is length and this is breadth. Okay. So we have formulae. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, L into B. Units. Units means once you get the area, what will be its units? Suppose area of rectangle is given 25. So what will be unit? Meter square or centimeter square. Okay. Kilometer is rare, but centimeter square and meter square. Reason is why? Because length, you find out length in meter and breadth also in meter. Okay, so m into m, m square. That's the reason why area is in square. Perimeter is a length. Perimeter is sum of all sides of the figure. Right? So it is a length. Perimeter is nothing but length. So it comes in centimeter and meter. But area is multiplication of two dimensions. So meter, what is the unit of length? Meter. What is the unit of breadth? Meter. So meter into m, m square. That's the reason why we write unit as m square, centimeter square. Okay. So length, once you know A is equal to L into B. So L is equal to area upon B, that is A upon B. this is the formula for finding out length. This is breadth, area upon length. Okay. In such question, area is given, breadth is given. You are supposed to find out length. In such question, area is given and length is given. You have to find out breadth. Okay. Now area, now we have seen rectangle. Now let's see let's see about square. Area of a square is side square. Side square means side into side. Side multiplied by side. So its unit is also centimeter square, meter square, and rarely kilometer square. Now you will ask how? Because side is measured in meters. So meter, side square means side into side. So meter into meter, m square. So same with rectangle and square. And now area of square is side square. But what is if side I have to find out? So when side is to be found out, area should be given. So what is square root of area of this square will give you side. For example, under root 60. So what is square root of 16? Square root of 16 is 4. 4 4s are 16. So square root of 25, 5. Means the side will be 4 and 5. Okay, and so on. Now there will be some problems which will be related to tiles. Okay, so this is very important types of problems you will have in 7th standard also. So we have direct formula, number of tiles is equal to area to be covered by the tiles upon area of each tile. Okay. So example related to cost and area. Cost of leveling means when these words come, you have to understand that you are talking about area. Like I gave keywords for perimeter. Similarly, you will have keywords for area. So when we talk about leveling the ground, plowing the ground, planting grass, carpeting a floor or flooring. Okay, so when these types of keywords come, we are talking about area. Means you have to find out area first. Okay, and then total cost. Then we'll see total cost is area multiplied by rate. Rate means rate of plowing, rate of planting grass, rate of flooring, rate of carpeting will be given. So first find out area and then multiplied with the given rate, you will get the total cost. Okay, so what is important? Important is learning formulae. Okay, so learning formula is very important, and if you feel something is going wrong, please inform me. Okay, if I am going fast also, that also inform, but I don't think 10 to 12 minutes video is going very fast. Okay, so I hope everything is going on well in your area also, children, because we all were sitting at home, we all were thinking this year will go like this, but all of a sudden twist is there. Maybe our schools will open in the next week and then we'll see each other. Okay, let's see. So exercise, and for that sake only, please keep your notebooks updated, because when I enter in the class, I don't want to say this completion word again and again and again. Okay, it's your duty, you complete it and keep it. I am talking about at least unit 1, it should be completed. Okay, so your book should be complete till unit 1 portion. I am not talking about unit 2 portion. Unit 1 and term 1 I am not talking. I am talking about unit 2 portion. At least that should be properly maintained. Okay, exercise 32B. Question is, find the area of the rectangle. Okay. Now area of the rectangle means length into breadth. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. But first thing I should check when I solve, it's very easy. I know it's very easy, but what you have to do is check. Centimeter is there? Yes, then proceed. If one is meter, one is centimeter, conversion is needed. Completely depend on you. You want to convert centimeter to meter or meter to centimeter. It's up to your choice. Okay. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. What is length given? 15 centimeter. And what is breadth given? This is 0.4 centimeter. What you have to do is you have to multiply it 15 into 6.4. 15 multiplied by 6.4 and centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Okay, area always square will come. So multiply 15 by 6.4 and get the answer. Multiplication work, putting decimal correctly is your job. We have studied it in decimal fraction. Next is length is 8.5 meter, breadth is 5 meter. So both are meters, so no issues. Meter, no issues. So area of rectangle, length into breadth, 8.5 meter into 5.5 meter. Multiply 8.5 into 5, get the answer, and unit will be m square. Now here you can see length equals to 3.6 meter, breadth is 90 centimeter. So here twist came, that is m, and here centimeter. So what I have done is, length is 3.6 meter, I am going to convert it into centimeter. So 3.6 multiplied by 100 centimeter, because 1 meter equals to 100. So 3.6 means I have to multiply it by 100. So 3.6 multiplied by 100 is 360 centimeter. So area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length is 360 centimeter multiplied by 90 centimeter. Breadth is 90 centimeter. So multiply 360 into 90 centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Next is also same kind. You can see next one. Length is 24 centimeter and breadth is 180 mm. Mm means millimeter. You can see on the scale that 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. But this time what I will do is I will convert mm into cm. Okay, so for that what I have to do is 180 upon 10, because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. You can convert this also into mm by multiplying by 10. Okay, 24 multiplied by 10 will give you centimeter conversion into mm. But I have not done this. I am converting mm into centimeter. So 180 upon 10. So 18, 0 got cancelled, 18 centimeter as one. Okay. So area rectangle, length into breadth. So I have 24 centimeter multiplied by breadth, 18 centimeter. Centimeter square, 24 into 18, you do it. Okay. Now question number 2, find what is area of a square. Okay. Area of a square, you can see question here. You will say Mrs. not showing questions also. So find the area of square whose each side is 7.2 centimeter, 4.5 meter and 4.5 centimeter. So here there is no problem of conversion. So question number 1 I am showing, second and third homework. Okay. So area of square is equal to side square. Side square means side multiplied by side. So 7.2 centimeter square, 7.2 multiplied by 7.2, answer is 51.84 centimeter square. Okay. Taken 2 times means 7.2 multiplied by 7.2. Answer is, after multiplying you get 51.84 centimeter square. Second and third are homework. Alright. So we'll end video here, and thank you so much and take care.